In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress website with Hostgator AI. Whether you're starting a blog, launching a business site, or building an online portfolio, this guide will walk you through each step to set up your site seamlessly with Hostgator's AI tools. To start, the first thing you'll need is a Hostgator account. If you haven't got one already, head to Hostgator's website and find an appropriate hosting plan. There are a variety of options to suit different needs, from shared hosting to dedicated servers, but for many beginners, the Hatchling plan is a solid choice. It provides all the essential features for one domain, which is perfect if you're just starting out. Once you've selected a plan, proceed to checkout and create an account by entering your personal information. Remember to use a strong password to ensure your account is secure. Next, after you've successfully set up your Hostgator account, you'll want to install WordPress. Fortunately, Hostgator makes this incredibly easy. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard and look for the Website section. There, you'll see an option labeled One-Click Installs. Click on this to open the installation page. On the installation page, you'll find WordPress listed among other options. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select the domain where you want WordPress to be installed. Simply choose your domain from the drop-down menu, and then hit the Next button. You will then need to set up an admin email, a username, and a secure password for your WordPress account. This information will be essential to log into your WordPress dashboard later on, so make sure to jot it down if necessary. Once you've entered all your details, click Install to start the process. The installation should only take a few moments, and once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message along with your login credentials for WordPress. Using these credentials, go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard by visiting the provided URL. This will typically be something like yourdomain.com wp-admin. Now that you're in your WordPress dashboard, it's time to select a theme that fits the style and purpose of your site. Head to the Appearance tab on the left-hand menu and select Themes. WordPress offers a plethora of free and premium themes, so take your time to explore and find one that matches your vision. Remember, you can always customize your chosen theme later on to change colors, fonts, and layout details. Finally, make sure to install essential plugins that enhance functionality and improve the performance of your website. Examples include Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, Akismet for spam protection, and a caching plugin to improve site speed. You can find plugins by clicking on Plugins in the dashboard, then Add New. And there you have it. With your WordPress website successfully created using Hostgator AI, you're ready to start adding content and sharing your site with the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.